the traffic went away for a bit, but now we're stuck in traffic again. But we're in these nice hills with these windmills, just in case you wanted to see what it's like throughout California. Alright. Yeah, we'll continue the trip. See you guys later. Going down this hill. Yeah, see all these little lights going all along. Continue the trip. Here's what some of the overpasses look like. Got this cement one, and you got that metal one. I'm assuming they put that metal so if big trucks that are too tall hit them, it will survive. I don't know. You can see there's some waterway over there and some electrical wires. Cities over there. Lots of houses.